Welcome to Capital Arts. Capital Arts is a signage manufacturing company, founded in 2011. We provide complete signage solutions, start from scratch ideas, design and development, production, engineering works and complete installation. With our vast experience, research and technical skills, we have achieved high-end product results. We have professional team, own production house and complete range of production equipment. We take care of every single detail to achieve excellent results. Our team consists of highly trained workers to work indoor and on high-raised building, following strict safety rules. We have completed several projects successfully for our clients, and we always get a great feedback. Thank you so much from our all team members. Capital Arts, contact, phone, 089-949-079-092-676-322, email, info@capitalarts.net, website, www.capitalarts.net, Facebook page, Capital Arts Cambodia. Thank you.